too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just hit the city with the G-block stainers, and we got adopted by some for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Enjoy the show. So we in Houston, celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we're in Houston. We're definitely going down.
I wanna dance tonight. It's in the air tonight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't wanna say no. You broke it down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to
Is it cute, y'all? I really don't even know. I might take it out. I was just playing around with the style. Like, I straightened it and I was like, I want to do something with it, but I don't actually like how this looks, honestly. I'm about to take it out. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. I had kind of played with it and put it in a little style before. I might show that, like I might keep that clip in. I probably won't though. I was just playing around, seeing what I could do, and I didn't really like it the way I did it, so I just decided to, I'm just putting some makeup on this lace. I decided to just go ahead and put it back down because I have to go to work in the morning anyway. That might have been a little bit too Freaky Friday for the office, so I just decided to do a little bit of this, a little tuck behind the ear. Y'all know how I get down. The actual hair is very soft. I'm running my hands through it and it's feeling very, I don't know, it's giving me Dominican blowout. Like, it just feels really soft and just, look at me missing. It just feels really nice. I'm not a huge fan of the lace. I know y'all probably gonna be like, girl, what? I can see it though. I think it's transparent lace. Really don't like it, but I did what I could. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I'm just really tired. I think, and it's probably not even the wig itself. I probably just don't like how I did my baby hairs. Normally, y'all normally know I do them bigger, and so they just look really weird to me how I did them. Maybe I'm being extra. I don't know. And I'm tired, so I don't even know. But yeah, guys, it came, let me bring this in the front so you guys could see. I didn't do any layers either because I wanted to show you guys, this is supposed to be a pre-layered wig, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So normally how I do my layers, I would have cut like more so right there, but I didn't want to do all that because it's supposed to be a pre-layered wig, so I wanted you guys to see exactly what you guys would be getting. So that is why I did not do any layers. But yeah, guys, this wig is pretty straightforward. The lace is not what I like. I like an HD lace. So, you know, I made it do what it do, but that is something to consider. For me personally, I feel like you would need to go in and just clean it up a little. But I think they did most of the job for you and you just kind of have to follow what it's already doing. And yeah, that's all I have to really say. So if you guys want to purchase this wig, go ahead and use the coupon code on the screen or in the description box below so you guys can save some money shopping with Tinashe Hair. Thank you, Tinashe Hair, for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.